Hari Om, Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. So I am continuing my part 24 in English, Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram, word by word, meaning. So we shall go to the slokas. Tejo Vrisho Dyudidaraha Sarva Shastra Bhritam Varaha Sharva Shastra Bhritam Varaha Pragraho Nigraho Vyagro Naikashrinka Gada Grajaha. Now what you should see is Tejo Vrisho. Tejaha is Tejasvi, this effulgence, bright effulgence, purity. Effulgence. Tejo Vrishaha, I always take the meaning of Dharma. There are a lot of meanings is there. Tejo Vrisho. O and all become Visargaha. When you split it, Tejaha Vrishaha. Dyudhi Dharaha. Dyudhi. Again lightning. The effulgence on lightning. Dyudhi. Dharaha is one who wears. Dharaha, ham dharami, ham dharayami, I told you. So he wears the lightning means he is lightning. He is there in the lightning. He is a wearer of the lightnings in the sky when you see it during rainy times. So Tejo Vrishoho Dyudhi Dharaha Sarva Shastra Bhritam Varaha. Bhrita is to wear again. One who adorns, one who supports, one who takes in it himself. Sarva Shastra Varaha. Varaha is boon. All astras. Astras are something which from here in olden times, if you take it by power of the string, it goes. So Sarva Shastra. All shastras, all ayudhas, weapons of all nature. That Varaha, Bhrita, he is a supporter. He wears them. He wears the lightning, Tejas, Dharma. Not ordinary this thing, but Dharma. Tejo Vrisho Dyudhi, lightning. Then the next line is Pragraho Nigraho Vyagro Naika Shringa Gada Grajaha. Pragraha is to accept, to receive. Tambulam Pratigrihyatam, they say in Vedas, no, I am receiving your Vedas, the priest says. Grihna is to accept. Prati, so Pragraha, he receives everything. Nigraha, he can also subjugate everything. He can imprison everything. And Vyagraha is restless also. Restless means don't think he's for your appearance that is still or something. He is restless. Naya eka shrinkaha. Naika shrinkaha. Na, no, eka, one. Shrinkaha means horns. So he is restless and he is not with one horn. Don't think he has only, because you see in Matsya Avadara, one horn doesn't mean. Na eka shringaha, naika shringaha, gada, agrajaha, gada, now what's the deep meaning? Gada is mace, power, thunder, sound. Agrajaha is elder too. Now that gada, because of he says Tejaha and Dyudhi, lightning, they are elder to the Gada, the sound. So in Sanskrit you have to do some Anvaya. You cannot take subject and predicate like that. He is Agrajaha, that lightning, the Dyudhihi and the Tejaha, the Dharmaha, all are elder to the sound. The sound came in physics after light. No, we know that. Then we go to the next verse. It's a beautiful, this verse is very important. Chadurmurtis Chadurbahur Chadurmurtis Chadurbahur Chadurvyuha Chadurgatihi Chadur Atma Chadurbhava Chadurvedavid Eka Path, not Pad. Ekapad. He is Chadur Murti. Everything I will tell you, Chadur Murti. He is the four Vigrahas. The creator Brahma has also had four heads. Now I will come to the physics also, very interesting. Chaturmurtihi, Chadurbhava, his bhavanas, his expressions, his revelations, his existence, his bhava. Chatur, four. Chaturmurtihi, the Vigraha. Murti means Vigraha, pure Sanskrit, but there is a deeper meaning here. Chadurmurtis, Chadurbhava, Chadurvyuha, manifestations. He reveals himself in the manifestation, not simply staying quiet. Revelations has to be there. I will tell you how they are using why. Vyuha. Chadurvyuha, Chadur Gatihi is the four destinations, final destinations. Gadihi means the last respite or the last destination. Gadihi. So Chadurmurtis, Chadurbhava, Chadurvyuha, Chadur Gatihi, the final destination. Chadur Atma. Don't think in all these four forces is such Atma there. He's a Paramatma, but why they are using Chatur Atma doesn't mean he has only four Atmas, there is no fifth Atma. That is wrong interpretation. Chatur Atma, Chatur Bhavaha, Chatur Vedavid Ekapad. So, in the first line, Chadur Murtis, Chadur Bahus, Chadur Vyuha, Chadur Gadihi, all Chatur. Chadur Bahu, four shoulders means supports. Chadur Bahu, four shoulders, he supports. We'll come to that physics. And the second line of this verse, Chaduratma, Chadur Bhavaha, Chadur Veda Vidya, Ekapad. No, first we saw Chadur Murtis, Chadur Bahus, Chadur Murtis, Chadur Bahus, Chadur Vyuha, and Chadur Gadihi. And the second verse line we are going to say he is a Chatur Atma. So he is the Atma behind those four forces. Chadur Atma, Chadur Bhavaha, revelations, his existence, Bhavaha, revelations of all these forces. Chadur Veda, that Vid, Chadur Veda Vidya. Veda Vidya, Ekapad. Now, what is meant by Chaduratma? I told you is always there in the four Murtis. He is the Atma. Now, let me ask you. Chadur Atma, Chadur Bhavaha, revelations, not only there in the four these things, but the revelations through the four forces. I will say why they use four forces. Chadur Vedavid Ekapad. What is Eka? It's not Pad. Lot of books would say Pada. Pada means foot. But this is Ekapad for the Chadur Veda. Veda Vidya. What is Ekapad? Ekapad is a pratika. It means the first word in a mantra. See, there are four Vedas. The Rig, Yajur, Sama and Atharvana. I will tell you how the priests have brought in the regular Homa Puja also for the benefit of the mankind. I am indicating that I am going to chant all these four first lines of these four Vedas. Rig Veda like that. Agnimi ile purohidam yajnasya devam ritvijam hota aram ratnadadamam arihi om ishetva urjetva vayavastah savitayavastah devo vaha prarpayatu shrestadhamaya karmane arihi om agnayahi vitaye grinana havyadadaye jihoda satsi barhishi arihi om sanno devir abhishtaye apo bhavantu vitaye sannyo abhishravantunah. It can be vitaye. Some text they would have called us pitaye also, but it's vitaye. Now these are the four. Rig, Yajur, the first lines. Agnimi, Ile, Ishetva, all those things I have. First two lines in every verse. So priests do that because Swami is a Ekapad. Is the first mantra, first word. We say Pradipadikam in Sanskrit. Krit Pratyaya, you add a Pratyaya in the Dhatu. If you add a Pratyaya, Kaihi and all, you will get a Pada that's called Pradipadikam. Pradipadikam, you add a Supratyaya, and Supratyaya, you add the Subandham, the noun form. That's a grammar. So Ekapat is a pratika, that is the first mantra in all these Veda Vidyas. Very clear. It's not Pada, Eka foot, no. Chadur Veda with Ekapa. Now, I come to the physics. Why Chadur Murti, Chadur Bahu, Chadur Vyuha, Chadur Gadihi, Chadur Atma, Chadur Bhavam, Chadur Veda with Ekapat, all Chadur. Chadur Murti is the four forces which Einstein wrote in his book. First, he wrote a book called Special Theory of Gravity and then General Theory of Gravity. He said standard model, there are only four forces. The electromagnetic force, the electrical heating, lighting, the everything you see, the electromagnetic force, the gravitational force, the sun pulls, the black hole pulls, gravity, the earth also pulls us down, gravity, the strong nuclear force which is present inside the atom, so the atom doesn't get so much, the nucleus is held strong, and the weak nuclear force which you can see between the planets, rotation and all, there will be some weak nuclear forces there. The four forces governs the universe, Einstein said. So not only that, these are the Chatur Murtis, Chadur Bahu, and these forces only support Bahu through the shoulders. Bhagavan has four, not two like you and me. Not 7 or 8 they are describing, no, they are only putting the word four. The creator also, Brahma, forehead. Four. Why? Standard model. Chadur Murti, Chadur Bahu, Chadur Vyuha, manifestations. These fours are simply not dead. They manifest. The gravity manifests, the strong nuclear force, the weak strong nuclear force manifests within an atom, the atom splits, they manifest, they reveal, change their forms. Chadur Vyuha and Chadur Gati, that is a final destination for everything. That is a Gadi. These four forces are the final Gadi, their final destination. There is no other fifth force. They have to function within themselves, amongst themselves, in this universe, for the universe to exist as it is we see today. Chadur Gadi, Chadur Atma. So he is also the life force for these forces. The gravity has to have some life force. Otherwise, it's a force, okay. But the spark to that force, the life force, Chadur Atma. Chadur Atma, and then he says Chadur Bhavaha, the revelations. The electromagnetic force, the magnetism has to reveal itself, its power. The electricity, the lightning, the electrical heating, the chemical heating. All these atoms or matter, they have to reveal, no? Bhava must be there. Chadur Bhavaha, Chadur Vedaha, that's what the Veda is. They also goes to the Veda, and that's why Vedas are four. Veda Vidya. Ekapat, he is the Mula mantra, he is the first pratika, he is the first word in every mantra, he is the first. He is the pratika. Ekapat means the pratika only. So everywhere, Bhagavan, the standard model he fits, they explain not only just the force as it is. The force has to reveal its bhava, characteristics of a force. Gravity pulls, we know. And a wind, it can drive you away. The heat can heat you. See, there are different revelations. That's what Chadur Atma, Chadur Bhavaha. And Chadur Vyuha, we saw the first line, he manifests, the forces manifest themselves also. A Higgs boson is not always Higgs boson, it lives for 10,000th of a trillionth of a second. And then out of 1,000 times it changes into protons 2 times. Then we do not know, they have not found out. It changes, the Rupa changes, that's all. H2O, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen will give you water. Simple hydrogen per se doesn't give you water, it has to mix, it has to manifest itself. So Chadur Murtis, Chadur Bahu, supporting. It's a pillar, these forces explaining the Murti. Chadur Murtis, Chadur Bahus, Chadur Vyuha, and this is the final Gadihi. Chadur Atma, Chadur Bhavaha, Chadur Vedaha with Ekapat. Chadur Veda Vidya is a pratipatika, is a pratika, is a first word. That's how they define the beauty of Einstein's standard model in physics. Next line we go. Samavartho anivritatma durjayo durdikramaha durlabo durgamo durgo duravaso durari ha. So Samavartaha. Vartanam means Tanya, we have say rotation of it's a Sama. In this, Bhishma says is also a Samavartanam. Vartakaha. Samavartho. Equally he turns, rotates. Correct? Sun rotates correctly, the earth rotates equally. The sun goes around the Milky Way black spot in the center correctly. 238 million years it takes to go one round around the black hole, the sun and its 9 children. So Samavartho Nivritatma, he is also a retired man. Seva Nivritihi, we say, retirement from service. He also is they are explaining both. When you see the stillness in the universe, where their stars are not there, so there is no Samavartanam, so he is also a retired person, there is stillness in the cosmos. So, how their existence, non-existence, I told you, existing and non-existing, light and heat, truth and lies, untruths. So, coins having two sides. So, Samavartho Nivritatma Durjayaha Duradhikramaha. You cannot win him. He's also a Durjayaha. You cannot win him. You cannot defeat him. Jaya is not possible on him. So, Durjayaha Dura Adhikramaha. So, you cannot also cross him. Adhikrama means generally crossing, overtaking. A person is on Adhikramaha, Adhikramya, on go on over that or cross that or overtake. So, you cannot be overtaken by us because there is no greater than him. He is a finality, he is a infinite. So, dur adhikramaha, dur labha also. Labhathe in Sanskrit means I am getting prapnoti, labhathe. Means labhathe generally becomes a atmanepadi rupa. Prapnomi, prapnoti is a parasmaipadi rupa, ti and all. So, labhathe, durlabha, he is not easily obtainable, mind you. You have to have dhyana and purity in heart and mind to obtain him. Durgamaha, and he is a durgaha. You cannot go to him. Gam is a dhatu to go, is arthaha. So, durgamaha, you cannot go to him. It's a pure Sanskrit meaning. You can interpret in your way you want. Because he is a durgaha, the place to go is not easy. Durgaha, Duravasaha. His Vasanam is also not easy to go, reach. Vasadi Mandaram, Vasami and all existence, living in a house, for example. So, abode. In Vedic language, abode. So, Duravasa is not easy to reach his abode. Duravasaha, Durari ha. Enemyship, whatever you want to call, evil. Ha. He will haranam, he will destroy the evil. Enemies, Durari, he will destroy the enemy. That's the artha, Durari ha. Shubhango so lokasarangah su tanduhu tanduvardhanah indra karma mahakarma krita karma krita gamaha. Shubha Angah. Naturally, Bhagavan's Angah is Shubha only. The parts of this universe is Shubha only, he says. Shubhango, Shubha Angaha, Shubhango, it will come. I told you because of the Samskrita Sandhi. Ramo Jayati, Ramaha Jayati. Shubha Angaha, Lokasara Angaha. Sara means generally if you want to split, Loka is world. Sara means essence, Angaha means parts. So he is the essence of all the parts in the universe. Loka, Angaha. Angaha means parts. If you want to go to pure basic Sanskrit meaning. So he is the essence, he is the Saram. So Loka Saranga Su Tanduhu Tandu Vardhana. Tandu is a thread. Where we say, no, Mangalyam Tandu na, by that Tandu, by Anena, by that. Mama Jivanam Hetuna, by the reason of my Jivanam. That is a word we use generally, that's a very good in the Vivaha time. Tandu means thread. So, Su Tanduhu means no, pavitram thread, Mangala thread, pure thread without any evil. Su Tanduhu Tandu Vardanaha. He is also responsible for expansion of the string. Now I will come to physics about the string theory. Let us wait. Su Tandu Tandu Vardanaha. Expansion, development. Tandu Vardanaha. So what does it mean? In the string theory that they have found out, there is a M theory, the string theory, that the entire the subatomic particles are like a string. That string theory explains the universe and multiverses also. It's called string theory. It's a beautiful theory. You can go and Google it out. So why they should use Tandu here? I'm asking a simple question. If you want to praise Bhagavan, you don't tell him you are like a string. They knew the physics. That's what I'm telling you. They knew the basic physics, rishis, by their dhyana. See, whether it is Newton or whether it is Spinoza or any, they didn't go to big universities, passed exam, passed PhD and wrote. Only from the jnana drishti, like Thiruvalluvar. Jnana, sitting and finding out, thinking. Your mind is so powerful. So, Su Tanduhu and Tandu Vardanaha, the string theory, because the universe, Hubble telescope, Edwin Hubble found out universe is expanding by shift in infrared rays. Today it is here that the infrared rays are the longest rays and the gamma rays are the shortest. So when there is a shift in infrared and all these rays, the spectrum of rays, definitely universe is expanding, he said. And that's why Einstein put a constant, E is equal to mc squared plus a c in his general theory of later on. He found also the universe could be expanding. They are having that very big strong feeling because of Edwin Hubble, US astrophysicist. So that's why this Tandu Vardanaha, why should they say? Su Tanduhu Tandu Vardanaha Indra Karma. The karmas by our Indriyas. It's not Devendra Karma. Devendran was given the word because he conquered the Indriyas. One of the word. Indra Karma, by our Indriyas, the karmas we do, he is there. Mahakarma, all Mahakarmas. So you explain, Bhishma is saying Mahakarma, Indra Karma and Krita Karma, all the actions being done, he is there. He is the doer of all the actions which we are doing, which is being done in the universe continuously. Aviratham Vyadaduho Iti Vayam Vaktavaha Kila. So, Indra Karma, Krita Karma, Krita Gamaha. See, Krita Agamaha also you can say Krita Agama. He comes to Agamana means coming, Gamana means going. Aham agacchami, aham gacchami. Gacchami, going, agacchami, aham coming. Agamaha. So, Krita also to do, he will come, he is coming. Going and coming, going and coming. That's why he is restless. Vyagraha, we saw in the earlier verse. Kridagamaha, Udbavaha, Sundaraha, Sundaha, Ratnanabaha, Sulochanaha, Arko Vajasanaha, Shringi, Jayantaha, Sarva Vijjayi. So what does it mean? Udbavaha, Udbhavam. Ud means always to rise. You can take that. Udbavaha, rising existence. That's a technical meaning. He rises, is rising. Udbavaha. Udbavaha, Sundaraha, Sundaraha we know. All the Indras are Pavitra, beautiful. He is a Sundari, Sundaraha. Sundaha, giver of that beauty. Mercy, some texts would have said. I generally refer to the original text, especially people can refer to Gita Press, original versions of. Is a giver of all the Indriyas. Sundaraha is a giver of the beauty. He is a beautiful person. Sundaraha is a Sundari. She is a beautiful person. And Sundaha, giver of all those beauties. So Daha is generally a dhatu, you can take it for giving. Da. So Daha is a giver. Sundaha, Ratnanabaha, Sulochanaha. Ratna Nabaha is Nabi, is Ratna. Infinite small dot expansion, the Big Bang, it was all glowing like a diamond. with various interactions. So Ratna Nabha is navel. Ratnam is ruby or a pearl. Ratnanabha Sulochana. His Lochana, his eyes is Su, Pavitram. Su is a Upasarga. Always Su Mangalam, we say Mangalam, Su Mangalam. Additional word to greater, greatest. Like. So Sulochanaha, Arko Arkaha, Vajasanaha, Shringi, Jayantaha, Sarva Vijyayi. Arkaha is Surya Bhagavan, they say, the fire of Surya, Agni. Arko Vajasanaha. Vajasanaha was a very big rishi. You wrote in the Yajurveda, Shukla Yajurveda, Samhitas are Vajasana Samhitas, we say. Vajasanaha. That means he is a Vajasanaha, one who wrote the Vajasaneyi Samhita. There are 4 Samhitas in the Shukla Yajurveda. A very philosopher who spoke of Atma and who spoke of light merging with the light, Arkaha. Arkaha Vajasanaha Shringi is again the Shringa means horn. Technically, Matsya Avadara. He is a Shringi. He is the sharp pointed pillar, the horn for this world. He is a Shringi, which you refer in Matsya Avadara, where he brought the knowledge to the world through his Matsya Avadara, Varaha Avadara. He took the Matsya Avadara to save the king. So, Manusmriti and all we know. To protect also, he comes because he drew the boat with the horn from the fish body horn. It saved the boat by tying the boat, just like Noah's Ark. Arkaha Vajasanaha Shringi. Jayantaha is always a victor. Jayam. Sarva Vijyayi. Jayantaha Sarva Vijyayi. Everywhere, Sarvam. Always. Vijayam Eva. The person who is having Vijayam in all places is called Sarva Vijyayi. The next person. Next. Suvarna Bhindu Rakshobhya Sarvagishwareshwaraha Mahahrudo Mahagarta Mahabhuto Mahanidhi. Suvarna Bindu, the Bindu I told you. Bindu means dot. Okay. Suvarna. Suvarna. You can also refer to gold because they say Suvarnam. But Suvarna, the color is Sumangalam. Purity. Highly noble. Bindu, the dot. The infinite dot, now they are referring for the cause of the big expansion. From the infinite dot, the expansion took place. So Suvarna, why they should say Bindu and all? Otherwise, God need not be appreciated with the word Bindu. It is pure physics because Bhagavan Vishnu, Narayana, is present in this universe in any format. Emotion, tangible or intangible, whatever you want. They are going on creating lovely scope on Bhagavan. Suvarna Bindu, Binduhu Akshobhyah. Kshobhyah is agitation. Akshobhyah. So Suvarna Bindu Akshobhyah Sarva Vagishwareshwaraha. Sarva Vak Ishwaraha. Even if you talk all your Vak, he is a Ishwara. So Suvarna Bindu Rakshobhya, Akshobhya. Not can is impertinent. See, Akshobhya means agitation. Like agitation, you know. Atoms get agitated like that we say. Akshobhya, opposite. Akshobhya, haladi pratyaya. So he is not at all disturbed. State is perfect, imperturbable. Perfect. Suvarna Bindur Akshobhyah Sarva Vak Ishwaraha Mahahrudo. Hruda means, Maha means big, we know. Hruda is not Hridaya. That is Hridayam, Hridaya. Hrida, if it is, it's a big, huge swimming, the pool of ocean, water. We do not know, because water, why they are referring, I think, see, if you go to planets like Jupiter or Saturn, Jupiter, Saturn and all do not have, or even Neptune, I was told, you do not have any surface like you and I having in Earth. We stand on the road, we stand on the ground. They are all full of gas. In Jupiter, it is full of hydrogen gas. So if a parachute goes, for example, I'm giving a simple, lame example. If a parachuter shoots in, he will go down, down, down. There is no place to land. But at the bottom, there is what is known as a huge liquid of hydrogen. How hydrogen can come there? Because of the atmospheric pressure inside Jupiter, so much, the hydrogens are pushed down and they are liquefied, just like you have hydrogen liquefied fuel, where if you cool it by around minus 274 degrees centigrade, I think Kevin's temperature, the hydrogen, the lightest gas, becomes a liquid. So Hrida, they are referring to ocean also. I am not saying oceans everywhere. Oceans are there in Jupiter, but it is not H2O ocean, water. It is hydrogen ocean. Same in Saturn. There are huge liquids. He is there also. They are telling why they should tell like this. Why they should bring Hrida. This is a beautiful word for the ocean of liquid. So Mahahrudo, Mahagarta. See again here. What is Garta? Cave. Mahagarta. He is the black hole. He is there in the black hole. There are several black holes in the universe. In our own galaxies also, mini black holes, maxi black hole, central black hole and all. They are saying Stephen Hawking, he was the scientist, a handicapped scientist of Great Britain, Englishman. He discovered the black holes, the cave, where nothing can escape from it. Even light cannot escape from it. It goes, that's it. It cannot ricochet and come back. It's such a deep gravity. It's such a deep cave. So that's why they are saying Mahagarta. Garta means cave. Okay, Mahagarta. So Mahagarta, Mahabhuta is the biggest of all the bhutas, matter. Mahabhuta, they are saying. Mahanidhi is the biggest treasure. Nidhi means treasure. Mahanidhi. Kumuda Kundara Kunda Parjanya Pavano Anilaha Amrutamsha Amruta Vapuhu Sarvagyaha Sarvato Mukaha. Kumudaha. Mudaha means happiness. Kumudaha refers to a lovely night lotus flower, special lotus flower, tamara. So Kumudaha, Kundaraha is the jasmine. The essence of the jasmine. Kumudaha, Kundaha, the one who reveals as a jasmine flower. He is the jasmine and the sugandham comes out of that. Kundaha, the giver of that beautiful smell. Parjanyaha, rain. It's a Vedic word for rain, water, rain. Parjanyaha, Pavanaha. Pavanaha generally refers to purity. Pavanaputra is Hanuman, Vayuputra. Pavanaha is basic meaning is purity. And Anilaha, here it means only wind. Analaha is heat. In Tamil also they have the word Anal. Hindi also they have Anal. Anilaha is wind, because Pavanaha, Parjanyaha and all these forces of nature come here. There are lots of meanings, but I don't want to take those because the context you use. Anilaha. Anilaha is it's a wind which is not staying in one place. It moves, no. Anilaha. Amrutashaha. Amruta ekashaha means one by one. Amrutashaha means amrutam after amrutam. Amruto vapuhu. Amrutasya vapuhu. Tasya vapuhu amrutam eva. Amrutena tasya utpadhanam bhavati. He is immortal. His body vapuhu. By amrutam after amrutashaha. One by one after amruta after amruta after amruta. Amruto vapuhu. Amrutam, if you want to take his neuter gender, Amrutasya Vapuhu, body. Sarvagyaha, Gyaha, Gya, knowledge, Gyaha. The person who has born with knowledge, Gyaha, Sarvagyaha, he has all knowledge. He is called Sarvagyaha. One who has all knowledge, he is called Sarvagyaha. Sarvataha Mukaha. From all places, his mukhas will come. His visage, face will come. He comes through all. Sarvataha. I told you Delhi Taha means from Delhi. Aham agamishyami. I will be coming. Aham agachami. I am coming. Delhi Taha. Sarvataha. So from Sarvataha, his mukha, sarvato mukha, sarvataha mukha, his mukha comes. So with this I am ending today's prasanga. I will continue. Please subscribe to my channel so that the continuity will be there. Till such time, bhuyat tavat shubhamangalam hari om.